Teach me how to fish, don't give me fish. Brothers and sisters, how are we doing today? I hope we are blessed. Today is the 10 Healthy Birds, Healthy Nation. You too can be a self made billionaire. You can start up your own farm today as you continue to follow, subscribe, like, and learn how you too can start up your own farm. There is power in knowledge. You too can be your own self-made billionaire. Farmers are the richest in the world right now. Healthy birds, healthy people, healthy birds, organic chicken. I love you. You have a wonderful, blessed day.